As anticipation for Apple's September 2025 keynote grows, new leaks of the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max provide a fresh look at what may be one of the most visually striking redesigns in years. A hands-on dummy unit seen online reveals a striking redesigned rear configuration. And it isn't only the camera that is drawing notice. Magnifying glass slanted left camera island receives a major overhaul. Say goodbye to small camera clusters from recent years. The iPhone 17 Pro now has a full-width camera island, sometimes known as a camera visor, that extends over the back, reminiscent of prior Poco designs. While the sensor configuration appears to be similar from the iPhone 16 Pro, the larger shell makes a more striking visual statement that will undoubtedly divide opinion. Camera using the same triple lens configuration, but contained in a bigger unitary module. iOS design influences Android flagships, but with Apple delicacy. Gemstones are still projected to deliver industry-leading camera performance. Brick aluminum takes center stage. In an unexpected change, Apple may finally be ending its lengthy relationship with titanium and stainless steel. According to reports, both the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will feature a sleek metal chassis. Most likely, the goal is to reduce weight and cost without losing durability or quality feel. Relocating the green Apple logo. It's a small detail. There's a big debate. Apple isn't new to design adjustments, but this one has sparked passionate debate. The logo can be moved to a lower position on the rear, between the device's bottom and the new camera module. It's a slight alteration, but for dedicated Apple design lovers, even minor tweaks may be significant. Whether this new placement is a clever visual balancing act or a branding disaster, one thing is certain: it has the internet buzzing. Brain's final take. If these leaks are correct, the iPhone 17 Pro series will include not just under-the-hood changes, but also a radical design progression. From the extended camera visor to the logo location and material changes, Apple appears to be ready to shake things up both visually and structurally. But, as always, true judgment will be revealed once the actual device is in hand. With September just around the doorstep, anticipate leaks, comparisons, and hot takes to appear quicker than ever. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.